If you've lost access to your Wells Fargo account and don't have your phone number available, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Wells Fargo website. Go to the official Wells Fargo website using a secure internet connection. Look for the sign-on button to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Enter your information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose an alternative verification method. Since you don't have access to your phone number, select an alternative method for verification. This may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email. Step 5. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once your identity is verified, follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. After completing these steps, you should regain access to your Wells Fargo account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wells Fargo customer support for further assistance.